Let's get it on! Desert Jones! From the left side.
Ano ba pala?
Pakilala ka.
Pakilala ko. Ayan, nakilala na.
From the right side. Pakilala mo yung sarili.
You can see me.
See you.
Renan is on the back.
Mr. Renan? Where are you, Mr. Renan? Oh, nabalahaw ata agad ah. Hindi pa nga tayo umabante, balahaw na. Asan na yun, Mr. Renan? Hindi pa nga nagsisimula, nabalahaw na agad. Tulak lang yan, tulak lang natin, tulak lang. Sir, what happened to you? Problem?
You can call me Bogart.
Bogart.
Yes.
Thank you, Bogart, for your support.
First of all, you will see these people, they are being evicted from their houses.
Oh, slowly!
Whoa!
Yes, look at.
Whoa!
Yes, see?
Whoa!
Look at that. Yes, baby.
Hoy!
Oy,
Are you crying like a lady? This is nothing. Relax. You can see the power of the Pajero. And later on, you will see a zebra. And you see a zebra, there is a lion.
Uy! Grabe! Uy! Uy! Pugo! Pugo!
Bitaw. Slowly.
Slowly.
Maganda ka pala.
Pitahan mo sila kabayan ha.
Ito yung dulo, yung isa.
Yung isa.
Wala na dyan siya.
Pinasok mo sa lugar nila sir.
Parang ito ang dulo.
Yan! Doon, Sir Nol! Doon!
Sir, what can you say about the adventure today?
The adventure is amazing. Smooth and silky.
You can see
Just
the
like this one? Just like this?
No, my hair is not smooth today. You see the follicles coming out.
Okay, where is the next destination?
The destination,
Mr. Tour guide?
you will just wait, you know?
Okay.
Sabor.
Sabor.
I can show you, this is the plant
Mr.
that we plant like 20 years ago. Now, see?
Mr.
The water
Manolo.
is stagnant.
The water is stagnant.
Yes.
I thought it is only racing car in
No,
the...
it's a double. It's a
It's a multitask.
multitasking.
Mr. Manolo is for drifting, for off-road,
Off-road
for
and
circuit racing.
Flying also.
Yes. And also, if you want to see heaven, you can go.
Oh, no, not for us. Hey!
Bumper yun ah.
Bumper na talaga. Pati yung tawag doon, plate number na doon.
Kakalimutan na.
Hey!
So now this is, if you go straight,
Go
you
straight.
will go to Hata. Remember that.
Sir, what can you say about the...
Gang is the key.
Yeah. Hey, now
I saw the airport.
this is airport runway.
This is the fly zone.
This is airport. There's so much problem now.
Ayan, sinam Sir Nol, matututorial ako.
Naliligaw yan.
They are lost.
Eh.
Lawak pala nito.
Lawak, laki pala nitong airport.
See, we will go to the soft one. This is the marshmallow port. Oh, yes.
It's dancing.
Oh my God. You know what you call that? Slalom.
Dancing. Yes.
You know,